Hello everyone. Today I'm showing you how to activate Elementor Pro plugin without any key. It's only for development or testing purpose. If you need if you need it, then please buy original license from Elementor Pro. So first of all, go to your WordPress admin dashboard and plugin section. Make sure Elementor and Elementor Pro is activate, and here it's showing to connect and activate the license. So I'm going to create a page and check if it is working or not without license key activation. So I have created a page that name is pro testing page, and let's make it publish first and then click edit with Elementor button. So here all of pro add-ons or widgets are showing locked. So how can we unlock these add-ons without license key? So for that we need to go dashboard, plugins file editor, and select Elementor Pro from here. Here paste this code in Elementor Pro.php file. So you will found that code in the video description. So after that, click update file, and after file edited successfully, go to edit page again, and we are going to reload that page to check it is working. So now a pro is unlocked. So from here we can use any pro add-on without any license activation. So I am trying to a pricing table here. So look, this pro add-on is working smoothly. So if I click publish button, so page will be published and I can um, browse that page. This add-on is provided by Elementor Pro, and we have used that on our site without any license key activation. I hope this video will help you to uh, activate Elementor Pro without license key on your site. So if you think this video is helped you, then please do subscribe my YouTube channel and share your opinion in comment section. Thank you so much.